Today's topic is entry of foreign law firms, foreign advocates in India. As we all are well aware that it is a very hot topic for all concerned, maybe the advocates, maybe the judges, maybe the law students. It is a very hot topic. We are all concerned whether entry of foreign advocates in India would certainly affect the rights, privileges and benefits of Indian advocates, or it will give them an opportunity to compete with the foreign advocates so that there could be a healthy competition and we can do better things in legal fields. So with these backgrounds, we are discussing the recent notification by the Bar Council of India, wherein the Bar Council has allowed the registration of foreign law firms and foreign advocates. If we speak generally, as we are aware that in today's world, where we are following internet, Google and World Wide Web, where we can do business sitting in Delhi at US, we can do business sitting in London from India. So in this world of competition, it appears very logical that if an advocate sitting in London can practice in India or can get registration to practice in India. Similarly, if an advocate is sitting in Delhi and he can practice in US, UK or any other country. So in this way, the notification of the Bar Council of India appears to be very logical and very timely. But some of the advocates and some of the concerned persons are apprehending that it may create problems for some advocates in India who are not in a position to compete with big law firms of foreign countries like UK and US. In this regard, I wish to highlight that as per notification, the foreign law firms can get their registration, but it would be only in non-litigating areas. It means that they cannot come and argue before the court of law like our other advocates. They can do their practice in international arbitration and other international fields, merger, acquisition, etc. So, in that limited area, they can practice and it would not certainly affect the rights of the litigating lawyers. Even otherwise, the very important aspect of the matter is that it is on reciprocative basis, which means that only advocates and law firms of those countries which permit Indian advocates to practice in their country can practice in India. So in this way, it will be better, and let the time should tell us what would be the results, but we can hope it would be a better competition in legal fields. Thank you.